Quickly merge segmented contour elements using Merge Contour from 2. Start the macro. Select the first element of the area you want to merge with the right mouse button. The last element of that area needs to be selected with a left click. All elements along the contour in between the selected elements will be merged together. The selection needs to be done in a clockwise order. In the second step, you can determine whether the merged data points should be unsmooth, resulting in a connection point, or smooth, resulting in a curve point. The dialog box displays the corresponding prompts. Once completed, the macro can be repeated using a right click. To end the macro instead, click with the left mouse button.